This is me. I'm showing you the updated version of the GUI of the biosensor project. So I've implemented several user stories as requested before, and as you might see, the most different thing than before is the two buttons newly added. So one of them is edit, the other is save. So these two buttons allow the users to edit the experiments that he set earlier, and he can receive it. So I'll go through a bunch of experiments to show you how it works right now. So let's see. I have this set potential already set it. So if I double click it, I can actually see what I have set for this experiment. And this was what I set for this experiment on electrode 1, and this is what I set for electrode 2. So there are several changes when I double click on this row. So one of the changes is all the data here, all the line edits have been grayed out, which means it's enabled. It's read only, so basically it's locked. This was requested by Professor Cusick. But the other change is this button of edit is actually enabled. So if I click on this button, all this line is become enabled, and you can go back and change to whatever you want. So let's see, I mistakenly set it to 1. Sorry, there's some lag because of the recording. Let's say I set it to 1, and I click save. And actually there is a validator that warns you that there is an error of the anode potential because it's positive right now. It tells you to place specify negative values to the anode potential, and there is no problem on electrode 2. And I realized my mistake. I change it to -1, and I click save, which basically save it to whatever I updated, and this will become grayed out once again. So let's see, I want to do another experiment on the two electrodes. I want to do OCV on electrode 1. I want to do maybe CV on electrode 2. For this one, I want to do a 1-hour experiment. I want to have time interval maybe like 1 minute. And for this one, scan read, let's see, I'll set it to 2. This maximum anode, let's see, 0. Number of cycles to be 3. So if I click on this, this will be edited because all the parameters here are correct. And once again, if I double click on this, I can still view the data I have set for the first experiment. And similarly, if I double click on the second row, I can see the values I have set for the second experiment, and similarly the data have been grayed out, is read only, and the edit button is enabled. So these are the basic features of what I've been adding, and once again you can still delete it, you can clear all, but these are basically what is required on the left hand side, as I think. So if you have more requests or more requirements or even suggestions or anything, feel free to just email me. I'll be working on that occasionally, so let me know what you think, and thank you.